How to check laptop RAM, which is random access memory. This involves just few clicks. Okay, click on the start menu, then select settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on about. You can see the installed RAM on this PC is 4 GB. Remember, this PC runs Windows 11 operating system. So if your own device runs older version, you just the same step and get it done. I hope this video helps. Please like this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and see you some other time. I hope this guide helps. Like and subscribe and see you next time.